Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create Christmas videos for your business in FlexClip, which is a cloud-based video creation app powered by AI. So I'm logged into my FlexClip account. This is the home page. I'll go to the templates section in the left side panel. And in the search box, I'll search for the word Christmas. And from the search results, I'll select it like so. And it'll display all of the Christmas video templates. You'll find many different video templates here, as you can see as I scroll down. And if you hover your mouse over a specific template, you'll see the preview and you can click the star icon to favorite the template. And if I go to the favorite section in the left side panel, you'll find all of the templates that you marked as favorite. If you hover your mouse over a specific video template, you'll see these two buttons. I created a separate video to show you how to use AI Create. So in this tutorial, I'm going to choose Customize. And it will then load the video template and open the FlexClip video creator. You'll see this pop-up dialog box. And you can drag and drop your logo image here or click this browse link, which is what I'll do. Then you navigate to your folder on your computer, choose the image, and then click Open. So here is my logo image that I'm going to be using in this video template. You can then drag the playhead like so, using the mouse, and place the playhead where you see the image placeholder. And then drag and drop the logo image onto the placeholder like so. You can then use the image handles like so and adjust the position of the logo image. You can then use this play button to preview the video to see how the animation came out after adding your logo image, as you can see right now. And I think that came out pretty good. You can then give your video project a name and save it. And once you're happy with it, click on this export button in the top right corner. And from these video resolution options, I'll choose 720p. And then click on export. And it will then start processing the video. And in this case, because the template is very short, it rendered in less than 5 seconds. And then the video will be automatically downloaded to your computer, so you check your downloads folder. And now let me play some Christmas video templates that I rendered in FlexClip so you can see. To try FlexClip and get it at a discounted price, check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.